Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya and in today's video I'm going to share with you my Westside haul. Now these are some of the items that I've purchased in the past couple of months and some are from their recent collections. So mostly all of the items are available. So I'll just link them down in the description box below just in case you want to check them out. So without much further ado, let's dive into this video. So we start from basics to the dressier version. So starting with the top. So the first top that I got is this brown top color crop top. Now it's like a really unique color, rare to find. It's a solid crop top. It's very stretchy and a body fit top. And it's like in a viscose and elastane blend material. So people who like to wear like really loose fit top, this top is probably not for them. And also what I like about this is that in spite being so like body hugging and body fit top, it is not see-through, but definitely you have to wear like a structured innerwear underneath to give it like a good look and fit to the top. Also I'm running in size S in this top, so yes, this is the first top. This top is the most common type of print, that is the tie and dye print that is going on in the market. It is like a cotton material, so it's not stretchy. It's a crop top. It has a frayed hem at the bottom. Really nice fit top. It's like a kind of a boxy fit top, and it's a cotton, breathable, light, good for everyday basis. So this is the next basic casual top that I've got. The next top I got is this solid green color crop top. Now it also has a shoulder cutout on the left side, which gives like a very unique and eye-catching detailing to the top, and it's also not like a thick rib top. It's like body fit kind of a top, but not that kind of skinny fit, and it's also not see-through. So it is like a viscose material top, and I'm running in size S in this top. So this is another solid top. The next top that I got is this woolen full sleeves top, crop top. It is also body hugging and a body fit top. It has also like some of the shoulder strap detailing going on in the neck along with the full sleeves. It is like a perfect for everyday casual wear winters. It's not that thick woolen crop top, but it's good for like everyday basis, and it's very soft material. So what I like about the body hugging tops or dresses are that they accentuate your figure really well, and not only they make you look sexy, but it gives me a lot of confidence wearing these body fit tops. So I really like wearing body fit tops. So this is the next one. It was actually gifted to me on my birthday, and I am running in size S in this one. The top I got is this one that I am wearing. Now it is like a one shoulder classic top, but this cutout detailing gives it like a unique eye-catching look to the top because one shoulder plus cutout detailing, so it really stands out being so casual and simple. The thing that I don't like about is the material. It's like a polyester material and I do not like it, but because of the detailing I got this top, and I am in the size S in this top. So this is the next one. What I got is this brown color crop top. Now it has a balloon sleeve detailing. It's a boxy fit cotton material crop top which has unique colorful print and sequins going all over the top. It's like a cotton material and it's perfect for casual wear and also for like parties and weddings, and that is why I like these kind of tops where you can wear it at both and casual wear basis or even parties and weddings. So this one is another and very nice brown, light brown color crop top. So yeah, this is the next one. Dresses. So this is the first solid color corduroy texture fit and flare dress. Now it's like a really body hugging and a body fit top, so really gives a good shape to the waist and flare at the bottom. Also it's like a ribbed kind of material, but it's not like thick rib material. It's very flowy and airy, breathable kind of a top, and you can accessorize it if you want. You can add a belt to it and wear some jewelry or wear it with some sneakers and you're good to go for your everyday casual wear basis. So this one is the next dress. I print dress. It has like a cross off shoulder detailing which gives really structured effect to your neck. It's like flared at the bottom, fitted at the top, and it's not that body hugging than the grey corduroy dress. And also I'm running in size medium in this one, and it's really like nice poppy bright tie-and-dye color top which I haven't seen anywhere. So yes, this is the next top. Dress I got is this solid color midi green dress. Now it is really good lime color dress, and it has like a belt detailing at the back which gives you like a defined waistline when you tie it up, and also like it's like a flared at the bottom. Also what I like about this dress, it does not have a joint in the middle, so it gives you like a good flare from top to bottom. And also it has like a big mock collar sleeves which looks really chic and looks really nice on the neck as well. So this one is another solid color cotton midi dress. I am in the size extra small in this one. Another dress I got is this powder pink color midi dress again. It also has a puff sleeves, and it is like a matte finished colors. So it gives like a look of a mauve pink color, which is the only pink that I like. So it's like a matte finish dress. It's a cotton material. Also has a belt detailing at the back, so gives you a really nice waistline when you tie it up. And also it doesn't have joint in the center, so gives you like a very flared effect from top to bottom. And also has a big collar which looks really chic and nice. So this one is the next midi dress, and I'm also in size extra small in this one. So this is the next dress. Last outfit is this jumpsuit right here. So now it is like a crisscross spaghetti detailing on the sleeves and flared at the bottom, but again not like a viscose material. It's like a ribbed viscose material, and it is like a flared at the bottom. A very nice and airy everyday basis, good for everyday basis and for vacations as well. And you can wear a nice jacket, crop jacket over it which is perfect for winters as well. So this one is the next pick, and I am in size medium in this one. So yes, now let's try on the stuff.